Are your financial worries keeping you up at night? If not, keep scrolling, this video is not for you. Look, I understand the financial worries that often keep you up at night. Been there, done that. Balancing the bills, planning for your children's future. It's not just a heavy burden, it's a constant source of stress and anxiety. Every month, it's a relentless cycle, isn't it? Mortgage or rent, utilities, groceries, education, healthcare, and the list seems endless. As parents, you and I know the stakes couldn't be higher. The dreams we have for our children, their education, their opportunities, they hinge on our ability to provide. But here's the harsh reality. The traditional 9-to-5 grind rarely offers the tools or opportunities to break free from this financial treadmill. And the weight of these financial worries can not only impact your wallet, but also your health, your sleep, and the precious moments you share with your family. But here's what you need to know. It's called affiliate marketing. It isn't just a solution. It's your lifeline out of this never-ending cycle. With affiliate marketing, you gain control over your finances. You get to create a future where bills no longer dictate your life. Just imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've broken free from the shackle of financial worries. Affiliate marketing has allowed me to quit my job, stop worrying about paying my bills, give my family a chance at a better life. It also created me a 6-figure business that I get to do from home. If you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business just like me, comment below or find more information linked at the top of my page.